Los Angeles in 2100 does not begin with traffic. It begins with ocean light, cool air, and a skyline wrapped in living green technology. By 2100, Los Angeles is no longer a city trying to survive heat, drought, and sprawl. It has become a living coast city, powered by sunlight, protected by nature, and guided by artificial intelligence. The future of Los Angeles begins at the edge of the Pacific. The coastline is no longer just a place to visit. It is a climate shield, a wildlife sanctuary, and the city's most advanced natural system. AI reads the waves before they reach the shore. Floating reefs soften storms, restore marine life, and turn the coast into a living machine. The ocean is no longer separate from Los Angeles. It is part of the city's intelligence. Beyond the coast, Los Angeles rises into hills that are no longer dry and forgotten. The canyons have become intelligent green reservoirs. They collect rain, guide cool air, and protect the city from fire. Homes no longer sit on top of the landscape. They grow with it. One of the greatest transformations runs through the heart of the city. The Los Angeles River is no longer a concrete scar. It is a living network of water, gardens, transit, and public life. AI keeps the river clean without turning it into a machine. The river cools neighborhoods, feeds rooftop farms, and connects the city without dividing it. Artificial intelligence is everywhere in Los Angeles 2100, but it does not cover the city in screens. It works through shade, water, airflow, roots, sunlight, and soil. When heat rises, the city opens its green lungs. When drought threatens, recycled water moves silently through underground living systems. When the ocean changes, the coast adjusts before danger arrives. As the city became greener, wildlife began to return. Egrets gather in smart wetlands along the coast. Hummingbirds move through hillside gardens powered by recycled water. Butterflies cross rooftop meadows above silent streets. Even the old boundaries between city and habitat begin to disappear. Daily life in Los Angeles 2100 happens in the open air. Creative studios open into gardens instead of closed rooms. Schools use rivers, hills, beaches, and gardens as living classrooms. Homes are cooled by trees, powered by solar skin, and connected by green walkways. People no longer escape the city to find nature. Nature is woven into the city's most advanced systems. Los Angeles 2100 is not advanced because it replaced nature. It is advanced because it learned how to work with it. The coast became a shield. The hills became green engines of cool air. The river became the city's living spine. And the future became less like a machine and more like a living landscape. This is Los Angeles in 2100, the advanced living coast city of the future.